just upgrading my, what do you call it? Camera stand. Apparently, when you make YouTube videos, you gotta upgrade all kinds of shit. So, yeah. I can't really see what the hell's going on this camera because it's got 180. The screen protector's got a, like, you can only see it when it's straight on. It's got some privacy shit, which I should have known. But anyway, I got picked up some Craftsman screwdrivers because I know it's new Craftsman. Plus, you hear a train going by. But it's I like the old school handles. I don't like these newer piece of shit handles. So I got a, shut up, train. A little, these kind of Craftsman handles. You can see the thing here. Just a small one. Picked up the old-fashioned, old-school-looking, what I like to call the Craftsman Prybar, because everybody uses these goddamn things to pry stuff open. It's a screwdriver. They get abused that way. But I liked, at least they made them the same. I mean, I don't know if this is going to snap in half or anything, but hey, who cares? Picked up another one of these gizmos. It was $5.99 for my, I keep losing them. I don't know what the hell one this is for, but I'm pretty sure it's the wrong one that I need. This is all leftover shit from the other video I made. I also found, since this fucking disease going around, these things called rubber gloves are getting extremely expensive. There's, you know, worldwide panic and chaos, you know, thanks to the plague. I found gloves for $13.99 a box instead of fucking $30 a box, which seems like everybody's price gouging over gloves. So yeah, I'll put the gloves over here. So yeah, that's pretty much picked up. I went to, my screen cracked on my phone. Too bad I don't have a picture of it, but I had my iPhone screen friggin' died. And when I went to the place to get it fixed, they replaced my battery on it. Like, yeah, buy a new phone. Well, I found this sucker really cheap for $150. It's an iPhone 6 Plus. Same, apparently it's got the same camera that I record as my other one. But this one, instead of 16 gig, has 64 gig. So I can make a lot longer videos and a lot more videos without having to delete half the camera every time. So I can still do like 10 million videos a night. And you can still look at my fat stomach while I'm making videos. The only problem is I can't see the goddamn video on an angle, so now you can see my nunos video. Anyway, hope you like the thing and subscribe and all that shit. Click the subscribe button. Click the little thing in the corner here to subscribe to my channel, and tell all your friends about it. Thank you.